Welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ, and over my shoulder, the blue board is our new special board of fame. So far on it, we've got a couple of patches from Catch-22 and the LAmbretta Cut Down Club. They love anti-grinds, don't forget. We've got a few scooter patches to go on it and some other bits and pieces. Now, we've got some issues with the cut down. So when we took it out the other day, it wasn't running right. It was a bit bloggy, boggy even. And I think the reeds had gone, or there's a split in the rubber. So we've got to check that out, but we're not sure what we're going to do with that yet. Then we've now got another scooter in the ramp, which Dom's working his magic on the wiring. I know what you're thinking. You're looking at it thinking, did I paint it out of rattle cans? And to be honest with you, I didn't. Somebody else has painted it, but we'll come back to that in a minute.
They were inspired
Yeah.
by our rattle cans.
Yeah, we'll come back to that one in a minute. Right, you lot, I need a serious word. How many of you started projects and not finished them? Are they still in the shed? Do they not work anymore? Did you lose interest? Did you run out of money? Let us know in the comments below.
No, we don't want to buy them off you.
Correct, we don't want to buy them off you. We're going to insert a clip here because our good friend Gill, aka the Scooter Breaker, stripped his lammy, thought he could rebuild it no problem at all, and it's got in a bit of a mess. Scooter. Look, it's the one and only Gill, the Scooter Breaker.
Hello.
Right, so there's still a few bits and pieces to do to Gill's scooter, as he was just showing me. A bit more painting to do, look. Headset, runners, leg shields, bridge, toolbox door, what else we got? Forks, we've got to change the forks. Well, so I ain't got to do anything, Gill's got to do it all.
Panels.
Oh yeah, panels. So it actually could be ready.
But it's got a chance.
For Box Hill. It could be though.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just means you've got to pull your finger out.
Pull your finger out.
So as you've just seen, Gill's scooter is, well, not really got a lot further than you've seen in the previous video. But it's back in the workshop here with us at Shedtune. Dom's currently trying to sort the wiring out, which is, well, let's just say it's not quite as easy as we thought it was going to be. What's in your toolbox, eh? So a big shout out to Young Guns Scooter Club. We've had a chat. Keep watching the channel because that video will be coming soon that you suggested. So we're going to take the carb off and check the carb rubber. And make sure there's no split in it that's causing it to go a bit blah blah blah. I think it is the reeds personally, but there you go, we'll have a look. Alright, that's that out of the way. And that. Can't see anything obvious. Let's get a torch. Well, I can't really see the reeds properly. I've checked the carb rubber and that seems alright. But rather than messing around trying to do the reeds in situ, I might just drop the engine out, it'll be quicker. The electrics are nearly done. Such a child, isn't he? We're going to go around and check them all and then we'll let you know.
Lamp. Dip. Main. Yeah.
Horn. That's all working.
Feed out for the speedo light is working.
Brilliant. Arse end. So that's a rear light.
Power to the rear light.
Brake light. On the front. And then the foot.
Job done. Hang on. That's it. All good.
Oh, top job, Dom. All Gill's got to do now is put it all back together.
So, Gill's bigger than me, so I'm not going to be horrible about
What, take the piss?
about the fact that. Did you think this was a fuel pipe? I've never seen an HT.
Oh, well, that's just made my day. Well done.
It was him, Gill, not me.